Hi viewers, in the last video we completed 5 problems. In this video we are going to see another 5 problems which is going to be important in the polyset. Here first question, the solution of 2 by x plus 3 by y is equal to 13 and 5 by x minus 4 by y is equal to minus 2. Here if you found like these problems, just take out the numerator outside from the given data and consider the remaining as constants such as a, b. Let us do that. Given data, here I am taking the numerator outside from this given equation. I am considering the 1 by x as a and 1 by y as b, so that it becomes the equation 2a plus 3b is equal to 13. In the similar way, I am going to do this equation. That equation becomes as 5a minus 4b is equal to minus 2. And we found that 2a plus 3b is equal to 13 and 5a minus 4b is equal to minus 2. Here we need to find the values of x and y, so that we can know that a and b values. From a values and b values we can find the x and y values. So that I am going to multiply the equation 1 with 5 and equation 2 with 2, because if we multiply the equation 1 with 5, the first number it becomes 10, and equation 2 with multiplying with 2 it becomes 10. So that I am going to cancel the both of a constants and a coefficients, and we remain with the b constant and b coefficient. 10a plus 15b is equal to 65. And one more equation, 10a minus 8b is equal to minus 4. I am resolving the both equations, so that here it is positive and here it should be negative. Here it is positive, so that I am taking here negative. If it is positive, if it is negative, I am going to take positive. Negative here, positive. The positive and negative sign will get cancelled and we remain with 15b plus 8b. That becomes 23b is equal to 69. b is equal to 69 by 23 and b is equal to 3. Here we found that b is equal to 3. Here b is equal to 3. I am substituting the b is equal to 3 in any one equation of this, so that I am going to get a value, that 2a plus 3 of 3 is equal to 13. 2a plus 9 is equal to 13. 2a is equal to 13 minus 9, that is equal to 4. 2a is equal to 4. A is equal to 2. In the starting we consider 1 by x is equal to a and 1 by y is equal to b. In the similar way, I am going to substitute the a and b values in their respective equations, so that 1 by x is equal to a is equal to 2. Here the 2 gets here and x going to be there, and x is equal to 1 by 2, and y is equal to 1 by 3. The values of x and y is 1 by 3 and 1 by 2. Here, question number 2. If the system of equations x plus 2y is equal to 5 and 3x plus ky is equal plus 15 is equal to 0 has no solutions, then what is the value of k? Here, this is the one equation and this is another equation. Here the constant is replaced in the place of coefficient of y. The constant, we have to find that coefficient, the value of k here. And one more condition is given that the two equations has no solutions. This is from pair of linear equations in two variables. Pair of linear equations in two variables. So that we are having some assumptions, and we will have that in the textbook. That's such that conditions. Number one condition has no solutions or has one solution. We'll start from one solution. And number two has no solutions. And number three, infinitely many solutions. Here, for only one solution, that constants or coefficients a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, and it is not equal to c1 by c2. And a1 by a2, for no solutions, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. For infinitely many solutions, the all constants or the all coefficients of the x and y values are equal. a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Here, a1 and a2 are in the respective equations is a1 and b1 and c1, a2, b2 and c2. Here respective equations. For having no solutions, we have to consider this formula and substituting in this respective. Here a1 is equal to, here there is no coefficient here, we have to consider 1. 1 by 3 is equal to, and b1 is equal to 2, and we are having k with respect to k. According to cross multiplication, k is equal to 2 into 3, 6. K is equal to, the value of k is equal to 6. Here the value of k is equal to 6. Number 3 question. Here, if tan alpha is equal to 1 by 2 and tan beta is equal to 1 by 3, then what is the value of alpha plus beta? Here, alpha and beta are in a degrees position, so that this is the value of alpha degrees and plus beta degrees will be in a degrees form. So that here tan alpha given, tan beta given, but we have to find alpha plus beta only. According to, we know the formulas of tan theta and tan a plus b is equal to tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a into tan b. These are the very simple formulas. Here if we have a positive negative, we are going to substitute here negative, and if here positive. Just simple. Here is a positive, it is positive and negative. If it is negative, here will be negative and positive. Similarly for cot, but the cot is cot a plus b is equal to 1 minus cot a into cot b by cot a plus cot b. Here the difference is, here tan a plus tan b is in the numerator, but here cot a plus cot b in the denominator. For simple, plus negative. If it is positive, here it will be negative. If it is negative, here will be positive, and here is it negative. Just simple formulas. Here that is asked that according to this formula, tan alpha, I am considering the tan alpha is equal to tan A and tan beta is equal to tan B. I am substituting the values in the first formula 1. That is equal to tan alpha degrees plus beta degrees is equal to tan A. I am considering tan A is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 by 1 minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 3. That gives rise to 3 ones are 3, 5. 5 by 6 by 1 minus 1 by 6. That gives rise to 5 by 6 by 6 1 are 6, 6 minus 1 5, 5 by 6. That gives 1. Tan of alpha degrees plus beta degrees is equal to 1. If the tan goes after is equal to, it becomes tan inverse. Tan inverse of 1 is equal to 45 degrees. The value of alpha degrees plus beta degrees is equal to 45 degrees. And number 4 question here. The solution of 99x plus 101y is equal to 499 and 101x plus 99y is equal to 501. Then the values of x and y. Here we can use two methods here. One, substitution method and resolving method. In the substitution method, we have to substitute the values of x and y by the tail method. That is not in your syllabus, but in intermediate or in diploma you can find the tail method. Now we are going for resolving method. For resolving method, similarly, see once question we are going to see once time. 99x plus 101y is equal to 499 and 101x plus 99y is equal to 501. If we multiply the equation 1 with 101 and equation 2 with 99, gives the same number of x coefficient. Just simple. So that I am going to multiply the equation 1 with 101 and equation 2 with 99. Here the both equations, I am multiplying the equation 1 with 101 and equation 2 with 99. Here the resultant equations are, if you multiply the 101 with 99, it going to be 499x plus, and 101 multiplied with 101 gives that 10201y is equal to, and 101 multiplied with 499 gives that 50399. It is constant. And next, if I multiply the same number 99 with 101 gives the number of 10201 x plus, and 99 multiplied with 99 9801. Sorry, this is 99 multiplied with 101 gives x, and 99 multiplied by 99 gives that 9801y is equal to 501 multiplied with 99. That gives us 49599. And resolving the both equations. Here it is positive and it is positive, so that I am taking here negative. It is positive, I am taking negative. It is positive, I am taking negative. The positive and negative will get cancelled, and the 10201 minus 9801 gives that 400y is equal to 50399 minus 49599 gives rise 800, and y is equal to 800 by 400, that is 2. The value of y is equal to 2. I am substituting the y value in any one equation to get the x value. I'm substituting the y is equal to in equation 1. So that 99x plus 101 into 2. That gives 202 is equal to 499. 99x is equal to 499 minus 202. That is 297. X is equal to 297 by 99. The x gives us 3. 99 ones are 99 twos are 99 threes are 99 twos gives 198 and 93 is 297. The value of x and y is 3, 2. This is very important. This is from the circles. Here question, the area of segment ABC should be in square units. The formula for here, this problem is given from the intermediate, but you have to know this formula. There is no reference for this, but this can be done according to the intermediate syllabus. And diploma syllabus, you are going to find the area of segment. Here you have to know the formula: radius square by 2 pi by 180 into the angle which the segments or the radius is subtended minus sine the angle which is subtended. Here we are having a symbol that represents that is 90 degrees. So that r square means here the given that a is the radius of the circle. A square by 2 pi by that 180 degrees into what is the degrees obtained here? 90 degrees minus sine 90 degrees. A square by 2, 91s are 92s, 2 minus sine 90 value 1. Here a square by the 2 comes outside, a square by 4 pi minus 1. Here is the solution. A square by 4 pi minus 1. Thank you for watching this. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe the channel and hit the like button. Thank you.